Swift recovery is also recorded in Thai Nguyen Province, one of the hardest hit by the recent floods triggered by Typhoon Matmo.
And as the water recedes, recovery efforts are now in full swing, with local authorities, experts and residents working together to rebuild lives and revive the region's signature tea hills. Our reporter Nhật Minh has more on the scene.
Nearly all the 57 hectares of tea plantation in Cafe Hamlet, Dong Hỷ Commune, Thai Nguyen Province, were affected by the floods. In some areas, the water rose higher than the tea plants themselves, something unseen in living memory.
I'm nearly 60, but I've never seen such a flood. The tea roots were submerged. The buds have withered just 15 to 20 days before the harvest, and everyone has suffered losses.
Thai Nguyen is known as Vietnam's tea growing hub. But recent floods, the worst here for many decades, left vast tea hills like these submerged for days. Agricultural experts are now helping farmers prune, disinfect, and fertilize the soil to revive the tea plants. The goal is not only to save this season's harvest, but also to preserve the pride and heritage of this tea growing land. Alongside tea cultivation, agricultural experts are also conducting on-site training sessions to guide farmers in restoring fish ponds and livestock facilities. At the same time, they are distributing essential agricultural supplies such as disinfectants and organic biofertilizer to help resume production.
We have invited experts from various fields. Today, for example, from the Northern Mountainous Agriculture and Forestry Science Institute and tea development specialists. Since local farmers have never faced flooding of tea fields before, learning the six-step recovery process introduced by the experts will help them overcome this difficult period more easily.
Meanwhile, in Trung Thành Ward, known as the flood center of Thai Nguyen, floodwaters rose nearly to the ceiling, the highest level since 1971. Yet, recovery has moved swiftly. By October 14, the first local school had been cleaned and reopened for students.
As the floodwaters receded, we immediately carried out cleaning and disinfection and provided tetanus vaccination for residents when needed. All forces, military, police, and local organizations were mobilized to support affected households, especially the poor and vulnerable. Now the focus is on cleaning public places like community halls and schools.
Across Thai Nguyen Province, cleaning and sanitation remain top priorities as local authorities push to restore normal life. What truly stands out among farmers and residents here is their spirit of resilience and solidarity in the face of nature's adversity that's helping turn devastation into determination.